Welcome to Dorliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add screen record option on iPhone. Now if I swipe down in the control center, you cannot find any screen recorder option. If you want to add screen record option here, then just go to your settings app. Now from here scroll down, then go to control center. After that scroll down and find screen recording option. Now here you can see screen recording option. Then just tap on this plus icon to add it. And it's done. Now here you can see screen recording option has been added successfully. Now if you go to home screen and swipe down again, now you can find screen recorder option here. Now just tap on this icon to start a recording. And you can see that will start recording. If you want to stop it, just swipe down, then just tap here again, and you can see it's saved. And that is how you can add screen recorder option on iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.